on the broken avenue, and every shadow stretching along reminds me of you. The ocean hums a low refrain beyond the window pane, a lover's rock confession wrapped in midnight rain. The record crackles softly like the sound of your goodbye, a fragile little tremble underneath this lonely sky. And though the room is empty where your laughter used to stay, the silence still repeats the words you couldn't say. Oh, some nights don't end when the morning arrives. They keep on breathing somewhere deep inside. The night still knows my name, still calls me through the rain, still carries every kiss you left behind like a slow burning flame. And every moonlit street still echoes with your feet, though your love has long since drifted away. The night still knows my name. The mellow piano trembles like your fingers once did near, a touch so full of promise it could calm away my fear. The reggae guitar skanks between the spaces of the ache, like little heartbeats breaking for the love we couldn't say. The bass line walks so deep it sounds like sorrow dressed in soul, a warm familiar darkness moving slowly through control. And all the harmonies behind me rise and gently fall, like your voice still somewhere answering my call. Oh, your memory lingers like the island breeze, soft enough to hurt, too sweet to leave. The night still knows my name, still calls me through the rain, still carries every kiss you left behind like a slow burning flame. And every moonlit street still echoes with your feet, though your love has long since drifted away. The night still knows my name. Maybe hearts like ours were born to bruise, to hold the kind of love we'd have to lose. Maybe every song the moonlight sings is only made of broken, beautiful things. And if your spirit ever wanders by, you'll hear my soul still calling through the night. The night still knows my name, still whispers it the same, still folds your memory into every star, like it can't forget the flame. And though the dawn may rise and wash the dark from sight, somewhere beneath the fading silver blue, you'll always live tonight. The night still knows my name, still knows, still calls, still hears your footsteps down these halls. The room is breathing softly, like it's trying not to wake. Every corner holds the shape of promises we made. The curtains move like memories, still learning how to stay. And I can feel your absence in 1,000 quiet ways. The kettle hums a lonely tune we used to laugh beneath, and every sound around me feels like you're still underneath. The air is thick with echoes of a love that used to burn, a lesson in the kind of pain you never really learn. Oh, I swear I hear you in the midnight air, even when I know that you're not there. Even the silence remembers you in everything I say and do, like a melody that never fades. No matter what I choose, and I try to let you go, but the quiet always knows how to bring your memory through. Even the silence remembers you. The mellow piano falls like rain on empty streets, each note a little fragment of the way we used to be. The reggae guitar whispers through the hollow of the night, like it knows I'm still holding on too tight. The bass line moves so gently, like a heartbeat I can't tame. A warm and a heavy feeling, still responding to your name. And all the backing voices rise and fade like distant tides, like you're still somewhere just beyond my eyes. Oh, I thought time would wash your shadow clean, but it only made you softer in between. Even the silence remembers you in everything I say and do, like a melody that never fades. No matter what I choose, oh yeah, and I try to let you go, but the quiet always knows how to bring your memory through. Even the silence remembers you. If love was just a moment passing by, why does it still echo when I try? If goodbye was meant to set us free, why does your ghost still sit with me? Maybe some hearts are written in the air and never really disappear anywhere. Even the silence remembers falling evening haze, and every little lantern throws your memory in my way. The ocean hums a lover's tune against the wooden pier, a melody so tender that it sounds like you are here. The moon hangs low like it remembers every vow we made. Soft electric shadows dancing where our bodies used to sway. And though the tide keeps turning like it's begging me to move on, this island keeps your heartbeat in the echo of its song. Oh, the wind still carries traces of your skin, and every breath it takes invites you in. Give me one more night beneath these island lights, one more slow dance in the pale moonlight. Let the bass line wrap around us soft and low, like the kind of love we'll never let go. And if the morning steals your touch away, let the music make forever out of this delay. Just one more night before the dawn takes flight beneath these island lights. The mellow piano trembles like your fingers on my spine, a sweet familiar shiver pouring honey into time. The reggae guitar answers with a lonely velvet sigh, like even it remembers how you kissed me last July. I close my eyes and feel the way your heartbeat moving mine, like every little silence was a sacred kind of rhyme. And somewhere in the harmony, behind the lead refrain, your love still sings in colors that the dark cannot contain. Oh, some loves don't fade, they soften into air and turn to songs that follow everywhere. Give me one more night beneath these island lights, one more slow dance in the pale moonlight. Let the bass line wrap around us soft and low, like the kind of love we'll never let go. And if the morning steals your touch away, let the music make forever out of this delay. Just one more night before the dawn takes flight beneath these island lights. If love was only borrowed from the stars, why does it still glow inside these scars? If goodbye was truly all you meant, why does your spirit linger in the wind? Come back to me the way the tide returns, to soothe the aching places where it burns. Give me one more night beneath these island lights. Let our shadows melt into the sky. Let the rhythm hold us where the world stands still, where the moon obeys our will. And when the sunrise finally calls your name, I will bless Caribbean moon is hanging low and slow tonight, like it's trying to hold us in its silver light. Your shadow dances softly on the wooden floor, and I don't want to ask for more. The ocean hums a secret through the open breeze, like it knows exactly what you mean to me. And every little heartbeat in my chest unfolds a story I don't wanna let go. Oh, I feel you in the rhythm of the tide, like you're always by my side. Caribbean moon, don't let her go. Keep her here in your soft glow. Let this moment move so slow. We don't need tomorrow. Caribbean moon, hold her near. Whisper everything I fear. Turn my longing into gold. Don't let her go. The reggae guitar is painting love into the night, with every little chord that feels so right. The keys are floating gently like a dream on sea, pulling every part of you to me. The bassline wraps around us like a warm embrace. Time is melting slowly in this sacred space, and when you turn and look at me that way again, I forget where I begin. Oh, your touch is like the tide I can't control, pulling softly at my soul. Caribbean moon, don't let her go. Keep her here in your soft glow. Let this moment move so slow. We don't need tomorrow. Caribbean moon, hold her near. Whisper everything I fear. Turn my longing into gold. Don't let her go. If love is just a passing wave, let me drown inside what it gave. If forever's just a dream we knew, let me dream it here with you. No distance, no goodbye, just you and I under sky. Caribbean moon, don't let her go. Let her stay within your glow. Even if the winds may blow, keep her close, don't let her go. Caribbean moon, hear my plea. Hold her heart here next to me, till the ocean turns to gold. Don't let her go. Moonlight low, don't let her go. Just stay with me in the afterglow. The night is falling soft across my window pane, and every shadow whispers your sweet name again. The radio keeps playing songs we used to know, but now the melody just aches and lingers low. Your memory drifts like smoke into this empty room, a fragile kind of silence wrapped in your perfume. And though the stars are dancing high above the sea, they shine a little colder now you're gone from me. Oh, I can hear your laughter in the drifting through the echoes of the love we left behind. And though the dawn is calling, I can't say goodbye. No, I'm still in your moonlight, still yours tonight. The record spins in circles like my restless mind, replaying every moment that we left behind. The way your fingers tremble when they touch my face, a tender kind of fire no one could replace. And if the wind could carry all my tears to you, would you remember all the promises we knew? Or did they fade like footprints in the morning sand, lost to the waves before they reached your hand? Oh, I still feel your heartbeat in the midnight air, a quiet rhythm telling me you're somewhere there. I'm still in your moonlight, still caught in your tide, drifting through the echoes of the love we left behind. And though the dawn is calling, I can't say goodbye. No, I'm still in your moonlight, still yours tonight. Maybe love's a river that was never meant to stay, just a blessing passing through before it slips away. But if your heart remembers, even for a little while, know I kept your love alive in every tear, in every smile. Still in your moonlight, still holding on tight, swaying with the memory of your arms around me nights. And though the stars are fading, you still fill my sky. Yes, I'm still in your moonlight, still yours tonight, still yours beneath this Caribbean sky. Still yours tonight.
The radio is playing something we once called our own, a distant kind of memory through a speaker made of stone. The night is soft and heavy, like it knows what I have lost, and every little second feels the weight of what it cost. I pour another silence into yesterday's regret, a conversation with the ghost I haven't left yet. And somewhere in the distance, like a fading ember glow, I hear laughter in a song I used to know. Oh, I wonder if your heart still keeps a trace of the love we couldn't save in time or place. If you ever hear this song again, in the middle of the wind or pouring rain, let it take you back to when we didn't know how to end. And if it makes you stop and feel something we both tried like footsteps in the dark, each note a little echo of a once ignited spark. The reggae guitar whispers through the hollow of the night, like it's trying to remind me how you held me tight. The bass line moves so gently like a heart that won't let go. Still learning how to live with what it doesn't wanna know. And all the harmonies around me rise and disappear, like your voice was only ever meant to end up here. Oh, I keep your name inside the melody, like a prayer I whisper endlessly. If you ever hear this song again, in the middle of the wind or pouring rain, let it take you back to when we didn't know how to end. And if it makes you stop and feel something we both tried to heal, no, I never meant to let it slip away. If you ever hear this song again, baby, love was just a borrowed flame, burning bright but never quite the same. Maybe all we ever really were is a song that time would blur. But if your soul remembers mine, we'll meet again between the lines. If you ever hear this song again, let it soften all your pain. Let it carry what remains of our sweetest strain. And if it brings you back to me in some distant memory, know I'll always feel the same. If you ever hear this song again, if you hear it, I'm still hearing it. Do you remember
The way it felt,
like the island was breathing with us? The ocean was a mirror when we learned to love that night. Every wave was holding every shade of light. Your hand in mine was steady like the tide that never ends, back when we were more than friends.
the reggae groove was laughing through the open air,
And I still see your shadow dancing there,
like the sunset wrote our story in the sky.
before we learned to say goodbye.
I remember how the wind would play inside your hair, like it knew we'd always need each other there.
The steel drum shining softly like a dream we
Didn't fear when everything was clear.
And when they held me closer in that slow island sway,
I thought it would never fade away,
but
stand still is walking where your footsteps used to go, through the places only we would know. The roads is floating softly like a love that won't decay, even though you slipped away. And every skank of guitar in the warm Caribbean sound feels like you are still around, whispering the promises we made without a doubt before it all ran out.
I still hear you in the evening when the world is almost still, like a story time cannot kill. Every star above us feels like it remembers too what I shared with you.
If I close my eyes again,
I can feel that way back then, and I
don't need to understand, just hold your hand. Even distance can erase
what we left in this place.
like the ocean holds the shore,
We still feel it more and more.
we were the rhythm of the island.
Moving like the waves in silence.
Every heartbeat felt so vibrant.
In the night,
We were the fire and the ocean.
caught inside the same emotion
Now we're echoes in slow motion.
of that night.
We were the rhythm of the island.
If the night forgets our names,
I'll still feel the flames.
if the tide pulls you away,
I'll still hear you say,
we were more than time could hold.
oh, the story.
Never cold.
We were the rhythm of the island.
Now it lives inside the silence.
Every memory still shining.
In the dark,
And I don't need forever's reason,
just the feeling of that season.
where our hearts were still believing.
From the start,
We were the rhythm of the island.
still you,
Still me,
still me.
the rhythm of the island. The sun is falling.
Don't let me go.
Mm. The sky is turning fire where the ocean meets the day, and every little color takes my breath away. Your silhouette is glowing in the fading golden light, like you belong to the night.
The reggae rhythm's bouncing like a heartbeat in the sand, and I keep reaching for your hand.
Like if I hold you long enough, you'll never drift apart from my heart.
I feel you in the wind that moves across my skin, like a story that we're still living in.
The steel drums shimmer softly like a dream I can't deny.
Under this burning sky,
And when you look at me, the world slows down.
no more lost and no more found.
Just this moment where the ocean learns to stay
and never fade away.
Don't let the sunset steal our flame,
I still feel you call my name.
like the tide that holds the shore.
I just want a little more.
Hold me where the sun goes down.
Let the night wrap us around.
Every heartbeat, every sound
Pulls me deeper now. We don't need tomorrow's light.
just this glow in your eyes.
In the silent paradise, hold me where the sun goes down.
The bassline moves so steady like a wave that knows my soul, trying to make the broken pieces whole. The road is floating warm like a memory in flight, guiding me through the night. And every skank of guitar feels like you're still right
Right here,
time can't break this glow.
I never want to let you go.
Like the ocean meets the sand,
We just fall into our plan.
hold me where the sun goes down.
Let the night wrap us around.
Every heartbeat, every sound
Pulls me deeper now. We don't need tomorrow's light.
just this glow in your eyes.
In this island paradise, hold me where the sun goes down.
If the night takes you from me,
I'll still be your sea.
if the stars forget our names,
I'll still feel the same.
love remains in every tide.
Where you and I collide. Hold me where the sun goes down.
Let forever spin around.
Every lost and every found melts into this sound.
And I don't need the world to see.
Just you here next to me.
In the silent memory,
Hold me where the sun goes down.
don't let go.
I'm still here where the sun goes down. Don't let go.
The morning light is dancing on your quiet face, like you never knew a more perfect place. The island wakes up softly in your golden glow, and suddenly I'm moving slow. You turn your head and smile like it's no effort at all, and every little heartbeat learns to fall into a rhythm only you can make me feel. Something warm and something real. Oh, I don't need words when you're this close. The silence says the most. You're closer than the breeze on my skin, closer than the waves rolling in. Every time your eyes pull me in, I forget where I am. Closer than the sunlight goes, closer than the stories told. In this love we don't control, you're closer than the breeze on my soul. The reggae guitar is skipping like a heartbeat light through the soft horizon of this Caribbean night. The keys are floating easy like a gentle tide, carrying me to your side. The bass line wraps around us like a warm embrace. Every note is finding its perfect place, and when you laugh, the whole world bends in harmony, like it was made for you and me. Oh, every second feels brand new, just standing next to you. You're closer than the breeze on my skin, closer than the waves rolling in. Every time your eyes pull me in, I forget where I am. Closer than the sunlight goes, closer than the stories told. In this love we don't control, you're closer than the breeze on my soul. If the world stops turning, let it be. I've already found
just your love and the open sky. Closer than the breeze at night, closer than the moonlight bright. Every moment feels just right when you're here with me. Closer than forever's dream, closer than it ever seems. In this island love supreme, you're closer than the breeze. Ooh, stay close. Ooh, don't leave. Ooh, just breathe with me. Oh, yeah. There's a little cafe on the corner by the sea, where the midnight speakers still play our old melody. The same sweet lover's rhythm, the same slow reggae sway, and every note still turns my heart the way you used to stay. The windows catch the moonlight like the tears I never showed, and the ocean keeps on talking all the things I never know. Like where your spirit wandered when it slipped out of my hands, or if you ever miss me when the tide needs distant sands. Oh, some loves don't leave when goodbye is said. They bloom like moonflowers inside your head. It's the way you stay in my mind, like the stars stay stitched to the night, like the moon still reaches for the tide, even when the shoreline says goodbye. And I can't erase the sound of your heartbeat moving through this town. You're the sweetest ghost I'll ever find, in the way you stay in my mind. The mellow piano shivers like your breath against my skin, the trembling kind of memory that always pulls me in. The bass line walks so softly, like your footsteps down the hall, and every reggae skank between reminds me of it all. Oh, the way your fingers linger when you brushed across my face, the way your silence held me like the safest kind of place, the way your laughter wrapped around the edges of the room, and somehow made the darkness feel like flowers come to bloom. Oh, your love still rises with the evening air, a fragile little prayer still floating there. It's the way you stay in my mind, like the stars stay stitched to the night, like the moon still reaches for the tide, even when the shoreline says goodbye. And I can't erase the sound of your heartbeat moving through this town. You're the sweetest ghost I'll ever find, in the way you stay in my mind. Oh, maybe some hearts were never meant to part, even when distance tears the world apart. Maybe love becomes a softer thing, a hidden harmony. The soul still sings, and if you ever hear this in the dark,
Know your name still glows inside my heart. It's the way you stay in my mind, like the dawn leaves traces in the sky, like the sea still calls the moon at night. Though they never truly touch this life, and it forever slips away, still your love will color every day. You're the sweetest song I left behind, in the way you stay in my mind. Still there, soft as moonlight on the tide, the way you stay in my mind.
Yeah. Oh. The night falls slow across this empty room, like a lover whispering your name into the blue. The record spins that old familiar sound, and every note keeps pulling your memory around. The moonlight spills like silver on the floor, and I still catch myself expecting you at the door. The scent of jasmine lingers in the air, a quiet kind of proof that you were here. Oh, some loves don't leave when the goodbye is done. They stay like echoes after the song is gone. You're still a shadow in the moonlight, still the fire burning soft inside. And though your touch has drifted out of sight, you stay with me tonight, like the tide that always finds the shore, like a prayer my heart still whispers for. No matter how the dark becomes the dawn, your shadow lingers on. The mellow piano trembles in the dark, like the sound your fingers made against my heart. The reggae guitar answers low and sweet, a little ghost still swaying to our beat. The bass line moves so deep beneath my skin, like the way your love once wrapped around within. And every harmony behind the lead feels like your voice still singing next to me. Oh, your memory rises with the midnight breeze and settles softly through the coconut trees. You're still a shadow in the moonlight, still the fire burning soft inside. And though your touch sun is sliding low on the ocean line, and every golden ripple feels like your hand in mine. The reggae rhythm bouncing through my chest again, like it knows where we begin.
Your voice is in the wind, moving through the palms, like a soft little prayer that keeps me calm. And I don't need tomorrow if tonight can stay in this perfect fading day.
I feel your heartbeat calling through the evening light, like a warm Caribbean fire in the night. The steel drums sparkle like your gentle smile, making every second feel worthwhile.
When you look at me, the world turns slow, like the tide that never wants to go. And I don't need answers, I just know it's true. I'm right here with you.
Don't let this moment fade away.
I'm holding on in every way,
like the ocean holds the shore.
I just want a little more.
Sunset between your voice and mine, where the sky turns gold and time unwinds.
Every beat of the island shines
when your heart meets mine.
We don't need forever tonight,
just this glow in the fading light,
in this rhythm so divine.
Sunset
between your voice and mine.
The road is floating soft like a lullaby underneath this painted sky. The bass line walks with a steady grace, like it knows your sacred place. And every skank of guitar that plays feels like love in Caribbean waves. I'm lost in a moment I don't want to end.
With you again, I hear your laughter in the ocean breeze, like it's dancing through the palm trees. And every step you take so near makes the whole wide world disappear.
The stars awaken just for us, turning silence into trust.
And I don't need to know where we go, just hold me slow.
Stay right here in my arms tonight.
Everything already feels so right,
like the waves that never break.
this love is ours to make. Sunset between your voice and mine,
where the sky turns gold and time unwinds.
every beat of the island shines when
Your heart
meets mine. We don't need forever tonight,
just this glow in the fading light,
in this rhythm so divine.
sunset
Between your voice and mine. If the night comes falling slow,
I'll still never let you go.
if the tide takes every dream,
I'll stay right in between.
this moment is all we need.
Love like a
Caribbean breeze. Sunset between your voice and mine.
where forever starts in one design.
Every wave, every sign
Brings your heart to mine.
we don't need tomorrow's light,
Just this endless silent night,
in this rhythm so divine.
sunset
Between your voice and mine.
stay with me.
I'm already here.
The sunset
Between your voice and mine.
The sunset fades into a velvet evening sky, but I still feel your heartbeat moving right in time. The ocean breathes so softly, like it knows our song. And I keep wondering where we went wrong. Your laughter still is hanging in the salty air, like you never learned that you're not there. And every little shadow on the shoreline slope feels like a memory I can't let go.
guitar is crying softly through the dark, like it's trying to relight a fading spark. The keys are floating easy like a drifting dream, pulling me back to what we used to be. The bass line walks so gently through my broken calm, like it's trying to become my healing balm. And every beat that rises from the mellow night still carries your light. Oh, I thought the silence would set me free, but it only brought you closer to me. We still dance in the afterglow, where the warm island breezes blow. Even if the world says no, my heart still says you know. We still move to the same old sound, even when you're not around. In this love that won't let go, we still dance in the afterglow. Baby, love don't really disappear, it just learns how to stay right here. In the rhythm, in the air, in the night, in the fading island light. And if you feel it too somehow, we're still dancing here and now. We still dance in the afterglow, where the ocean whispers low. Every memory starts to glow, like we never said no. And even time can't take control of the way you move my soul. In this love that won't let go, oh, we still dance in the afterglow. Still dancing, still dance, still dance, still glowing, still glow, still glowing. In the afterglow, we're knowing. The morning opens slowly like a flower to the light. Golden rays are spilling soft and everything feels right. The ocean hums a promise as it rolls against the shore, and every little wave keeps calling me for more. You're barefoot in the sand with sunlight in your eyes, a spark so bright it makes the whole horizon come alive. The way you laugh could wake the sleeping stars above and turn the quietest day into a song of love. Oh, your smile's a rhythm I can't deny, like the sweetest chorus falling from the sky. You're my sun-kissed melody, the sweetest sound inside of me. Every note you sing sets my spirit free, like a dance across the sea. And when your body moves so close, the whole world sways to what we know. A love this bright was made to show. You're my sun-kissed melody. The roses floating gently like the clouds above the bay. The organ shines behind it like the color of the day. The tropical guitar skips playful through the breeze, a little burst of joy dancing through the trees. The bass line keeps on bouncing with
you give belongs to me, like the moon belongs to sea. And if the stars should lose their glow, your love would still outshine them all. The sweetest truth I'll ever know. You're my sun-kissed melody. Sing to me, dance with me, forever in this melody.
Ooh, The island wakes up gently in a golden haze, like it still remembers all our yesterdays. The palm trees sway like they're calling out your name, in a language only heartache can explain. The ocean writes your story on the shore in waves, then erases every promise that we ever gave. But somehow I still hear you in the morning breeze, like you never really left me at all, you see. Oh, I try to turn the silence down, but your echo is the only sound. When the island says your name, it still burns just the same, like a warm and gentle flame that I can't contain. And every wave that comes ashore reminds me I want you more. Even time can't break the chain when the island says your name. The reggae guitar is humming through the summer air, like it knows the way you used to be right there. The keys are floating softly like a fading dream, slipping through the spaces in between. The bass line walks so steady like a memory that refuses to accept what used to be. And every beat that moves inside this silent song tells me where I still belong. Oh, I thought I'd learn to let you go, but the tide still pulls me low. When the island says your name, it still burns just the same, like a warm and The evening sky is folding into deep blue fire, and every breath I take is filled with quiet desire.
Your memory is drifting on the waves that never end,
Like you might come back again. The reggae groove is steady like a promise in the sand,
still reaching for your hand.
and every crash of ocean on this lonely shore
Feels like I want you more. I feel you in the rhythm of the Caribbean wind, like a story that won't ever end. The steel drums shimmer softly in the fading light, calling you into the night.
And when I close my eyes, I see your face in every wave that finds its place. I don't need forever, just a sign
You're still mine.
Don't let the distance break the sound,
I still feel you all around.
like the tide that knows the shore,
I keep coming back for more,
till the last wave
brings you back to me. I'll be waiting where the ocean meets the sea. Every heartbeat, every memory still believes,
till the last wave finds your name.
I'll be burning with the same,
Soft and endless,
sweet and free,
till the last wave brings you back to me. The bassline walks like sorrow dressed in warm delight, through the colors of the night.
the road is floating gently like a fading prayer,
saying you are still somewhere. And every skank of guitar in the island there feels like you're still right there, like nothing ever really let you go.
even though I'm standing in the moonlight like you never left, still holding on to what is left. Every star above us feels like it understands what we had.
If I whisper to the tide,
Will you stay by my side?
'cause I never really said goodbye.
Not inside.
Even time can't break this line,
You're still here inside my mind.
like the ocean meets the sky,
We don't even ask why, till the last wave brings you back to me. I'll be waiting endlessly,
every dream
every plea still believes, till the last wave finds your name.
no
Nothing ever feels the same,
soft and broken,
yet so free,
till the last wave brings you back to me. If the wind forgets our touch,
I'll still feel so much.
if the tide erases you,
I'll still come through.
love don't end, it only flows.
Where the endless ocean goes, till the last wave brings you back to me. I will hold this memory.
Every rise,
Every sea pulls you into me, and I don't need to understand.
just the traces in the sand,
In the silent melody,
till the last wave brings you back to me.
I'll wait, I'll stay.
Till the last wave brings you back.
Yeah. The morning drifts in slowly with the scent of salt and lime. The island wakes up smiling like it's keeping perfect time. The waves are tapping rhythms on the edges of the shore, and every little sound is saying love is something more. You're standing in the sunlight with the ocean in your eyes, and every golden color feels reflected in your smile. The breeze moves through your hair like it was made to set it free, and all at once the whole wide world feels easy next to me. Oh, the way you laugh can chase the clouds away and turn the quietest blue into a brighter day. Love comes easy here, with your heartbeat in my ear, and the whole world disappears when you hold me near. Underneath these island skies, where forever feels alive, every moment feels so clear. Love comes easy here. The road is floating softly like the clouds above the bay. The organ paints a rainbow through the slowly fading day. The tropical guitar skips playful through the heat, and every little note keeps dancing at our feet. The bassline bounces warmly like the joy inside my chest. The one-drop drums remind me that this feeling is the best. And when you pull me closer in that sweet Caribbean sway, I wish this little song would never fade away. Oh, your touch is sweeter than the sugar cane at dawn, and every kiss makes me feel reborn. Love comes easy here, with your heartbeat in my ear, and the whole world disappears when you hold me near. Underneath these island skies, where forever feels alive, every moment feels so clear. Love comes easy here. Let the lanterns glow until the moon turns pale. Let the ocean hum my story to the sail. Spin me slowly till the stars all blur from sight, and the only thing that's real is this delight. No fear of endings, no reason to hide, just your sweet love and this reggae tidal. Love comes easy here, like melodies sincere, and your laughter crystal clear is the song I hear. Underneath these island skies, where happy spirits rise, every answer's waiting here. Love comes easy here. Stay with me, dance with me. Love comes easy endlessly.
The evening falls so gently on your shoulders, like it doesn't want to break this perfect night. The sky is painted soft in shades of fading gold, and every second feels like home I've never told. You lean a little closer, I forget my name. The world around us flickers like a dancing flame, and all I know is right here in your quiet touch is everything I needed so much. Oh, I don't want the night to ever end, not when I've just found you again. So stay a little longer in my heart, don't let the morning knows exactly how our rhythms meet. The keys are floating gently through the evening air, like every note is saying, you are there. The bass line moves in circles like a warm embrace, pulling every doubt right out of place. And when you smile, the whole world slows right down. No longer lost, no longer bound. Oh, every heartbeat says it too. It only wants to stay with you. So stay a little longer in my heart. Don't let the morning pull us apart. We can let the stars do what they do. Just me and you. Stay a little closer to my soul. Let the silent love take control. If forever never starts tonight, I'll still be alright. Just stay a little longer in my heart. We don't need tomorrow's plans, just your hand in my hand. Let the ocean take its time while you're still here tonight. No fear, no rush, no goodbye. Just this glow between you and I. So stay a little longer in my heart. Let the silence fall apart. We can write our own truth tonight under Caribbean lights. Stay until the stars grow slow, until we don't need to know where the ending ever starts. Just stay a little longer in my heart. Don't go, don't go, just stay. Ooh, in my heart this way.
Shine like you mean it. Sunrise, spilling diamonds on the waterline. Palm leaves dancing shadows till the morning shine. The island wakes up singing with the radio, and every little color tells me love will grow. You step into the daylight with that easy grace, and suddenly the whole world lights across your face. The breeze gets sweeter every time you smile my way. Like summer found 1,000 words to say. Oh, your laughter got the whole sky opening wide. Like the sun itself is dancing by your side. Shine like you mean it. Love me like the waves kiss the shore. Move like the rhythm, like your heart's never asked for more. Glow like the moonlight, spinning in the warm night breeze. Stay in this moment and shine your love all over me. Shine like you mean it. The rose is floating easy like a cloud above. The organ wraps around us with the sound of love. The tropical guitar skips playful through the air, and every little note says heaven's meeting here. The bass line bouncing underneath our happy feet turns every step we take into a memory. And when your body moves so close in reggae time, it feels like every star begins to rhyme. Oh, your touch is sweeter than the island wine, and every beat you give me feels divine. Shine like you mean it. Love me like the waves kiss the shore. Move like the rhythm, like your heart's never electric light. Turn me around until the world's a blur. Till all I know is this and all I hear is her. No clouds above, no shadows left behind, just your bright soul moving next to mine.